Hey, welcome. My name is Shay from dreamhomebasedwork.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content posted on this channel. Are you looking for a reliable non-phone job where you can simply type from home and earn $3,000 per month? You will need to keep watching to learn more. I am going to share with you guys a typing job that is available with Allegis Transcription. Now, with this company, you will simply transcribe recorded audio files. So that basically means that you will listen to an audio file and then you will type out what you hear. Now, this is a freelance position. You can work completely from home. I am sitting on their official website, and you'll see over in the right sidebar here, which I'll make sure I provide the direct link to this page. You will see the positions that they have available. They will also provide a quick video for you so you can learn a little bit more about how to become a transcriber with Allegis Transcription. So I'm going to actually focus on the transcription position that they are actively accepting applications for. Now, for this position, you will be able to work from anywhere in the U.S. It doesn't matter the location as long as you are able to work from home, have an updated computer along with a foot pedal and headset. You can find those things on Amazon.com. You can just simply search transcription foot pedal and headset if you don't have one. Also, some of the skills that they are looking for people to have is fast and accurate typing, excellent spelling, grammar, and punctuation skills, proofreading and editing skills, be able to, respond really fast to deadlines. You must be able to process and respond well to quality feedback. Just in case, some people or some companies may not be happy with your work, you must be able to get in and correct your mistakes really fast, and you must meet deadlines. So definitely, as far as the computer equipment, you need to have an updated PC with a Microsoft operating system 8+ or higher, and antivirus protection software, which a lot of computers, they will either come with or they will give you the software, offer you the software along with your computer to install and download. So yeah, if you are interested in applying for this company, they have been around since 1996. So they are a reliable company when it comes down to providing steady work for independent contractors where you can work remotely from home. So you will just simply hit that apply now button to submit your application. Now, I also want to go over to Glassdoor.com before I leave you. Now, according to Glassdoor, the average salary is around $40,000 to $66,000 per year. So that is at the minimum around $3,000 per month up to $5,000. I want to check really quick on what other people are saying about this position for the company. The pros: team environment good, audio pay, friendly trainers, management, and there are no cons that are reported so far by Glassdoor. And according to the rating, 87% approve of the CEO and 69% recommend to a friend. So it is pretty decent for a work at home company. So yes, if you are interested in this job, go ahead and apply today. Now, just in case for those that are looking for something else, this job does not interest you, I do have a resource link that I want to provide for you guys with 40 online typing jobs for beginners and pros. And you will just simply scroll down this list. I'll provide the links all here for you to be able to click and go to their website and simply apply. So yes, I will make sure I provide this link as well in my description box and comments below. Before you go, make sure you stop by my official website, dreamhomebasedwork.com, and enter your name and email address and sign up for my job alerts that I send out every week. This will help you have a better chance of landing a work from home job. You will be able to apply as soon as I find these leads right away. So definitely make sure you share this video, like this video, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Take care. Today, I will share with you a company that pays you to research and review content online. You will earn anywhere from $20K to $50K per year. There is no interview and you will get hired fast.